the demonstrations video of your project, I will share you a zip. Inside that zip, you will get this folder. After opening this folder, you will get these files. Inside this text file, you will get how you can run this project. I have added all these steps that you need to follow. This is the requirements file. This is the complete descriptions of all the functions that I have used inside this project. This is the sound file. This is the image file. Inside that I have added all the image that I am using this. Inside the chess file, inside the chess folder, you will get these three files. These all the main files of our project. So after opening these file into the VS Code, it will display look like this. So this is chessai.py. Inside this file, you will get the code of AI, how it working. We have used the algorithms and the other things. Inside the engine.py, it will display inside this engine.py, it have the code of the chess, the logic of the chess. Inside the main file, we have the all UI, code of the UI, and the descriptions of these all the functions. I have provided a PDF file. So when you open that PDF file, it will look like this. So it have all the descriptions of the function that I've used inside that code in a proper way. You can check the this PDF file and you will understand which function are doing what work. So it will give you the proper explanation. So I've added this PDF, so you can check that also. So I'm just showing you how you can run this project. After opening into the VS Code, you have to run these commands that I have added in this folder, like run dot steps. You need to open this, and it will show you how you need to install this PDF, how you need to install this project. And after installing, it will open like this. Inside that, you will create an environment variables. Inside that environment variable, you need to activate that environment variable. After that, you need to install the pygame library, and that's all. These all the things you need to done. And then I'm going to run this project. So it will look like this. First, it will ask you, you want to choose a real user or the play with the bot. Bot means AI. Here bot is AI. If I do not select any options, so by default it open with a real users, like first player is human and second player is AI, false. If I select bot, our first player is human and the second player is bot, means AI. If I select the real user, then first player is human and the second player AI, false, means second player is also human. And if I select this one, play with the bot, and I need to select the board color. If I select with the gray, and if I just select the start, it will start the game. Before that, we need to understand the guidelines of this chessboard. So it will open a guideline. Inside the guideline, I have added the main logics or the main move of the chess. So just close it and start a game. So it will open a chessboard. A black one is AI and the white one is user. So I just move this first move. Now AI is finding the best way so that he can move and he can checkmate me according to that. So AI is finding a way. I'm just moving this one. Now what it will do, it will move this to here and try to checkmate me. Okay, I'm giving the options so that the AI can checkmate me. The time is taking due to the finding the best way to move, the algorithm we have used inside that. So just it taking a time and it calculating the distance and the best move in your console. You can check that. As I'm recording the video, so might be the issue. Let's restart this again. I don't know why it's taking too much time. So just restart this again. This time I'm going to select with the brown and with the play with the boat and start a game. So this time I give the options so that I can checkmate in a 1 or 2 move. Now if the AI should move this pawn because this is the best move. I don't know, as this is finding automatically the best way. So I'm just moving according to that so that it can checkmate me. As it is finding a best move, so it will take time to move that there. Now I move this one. Here you can see the calculations the AI is doing for moving there pawn or the king or the queen, whatever AI want to move, but it takes time to move there. And also depend your CPU, what is the process that you're using. So if this move here and that checkmate. Okay, so I'm using this. Let's see what's AI move. It is finding the possibilities, you can check here. Okay, now it's moved to here so that it can checkmate me. Now what I can do, I need to this move. So this, according to AI, it will find a best move and move that move so that it can checkmate the opponent. Now I'm just closing this one, and if I'm using with the real player, and then this time I'm using a green cardboard and start with a green with a real player, I can use this one and this, okay, and this and this, okay. I have an options to move here. I remove this one. Still I have an option. Which one? Okay, I have an option. I want to checkmate here, but I have an option. So what I'm going to do, here's an option to undo. If I click on the chair button, it will undo the options. If I click on the R, it will reset the complete chess. Okay. Now if I am again moving with the real user, okay, now I'm moving here. Now this time I'm moving this here. Okay, now here and then here. I don't have the options to move this, so I use this one, then click. Okay, so with the real user it's working fine, with the AI it's also working fine. So these all the demonstrations